Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either hide or show the sidebar in your Opera web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Opera logo up at the top left. Go ahead and just left click on that, and then you want to go down and select Settings. Now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Sidebar and select where it says Manage Sidebar. Up at the top of this page, it will say Show Sidebar. You can just toggle that to the on or off position, as well as automatically hiding the sidebar. Again, you can turn that on or off depending on your preference. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.